something that I'm doing.
Man, it's 2 people in the car. You ain't gotta be that damn loud in my ear, man.
Excuse me?
It's 2 people in the car. You ain't gotta be that damn
Who is the 2 people?
It's me and you.
And?
Me and you, that's it. Why you so damn...
I just be feeling like you don't be hearing me when I be talking.
Man,
so I be talking so you can hear me.
Hey, man. Hey, you be yelling too much. It's too early for that.
It is not too early.
It's 2 o'clock, man.
Man, whatever. Guys, it's your girl Deja, and I am back with another video. By the title, y'all already see what I'm about to do. I am about to finally go ahead and follow this trend and do the acting Ratchet on my boyfriend to get his reaction. So right now we're actually currently about to go to like my dad's house and you know, watch the game or whatever, eat and all that stuff like that. And also our son stayed the night over there last night, so we're gonna pick him up too as well. So like, I'm like, why not on the way there, since I won't have no distractions from my little baby kid, why not go ahead and just act full-blown goddamn Ratchet? So I told him that we're just gonna be doing a vlog today, which obviously that's not gonna happen, but I just told him we was gonna do a vlog today. But I ain't gonna do too much talking. Y'all already know what to do. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, turn on y'all post notifications, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're gonna get right into it. Wait, actually, I forgot, y'all. So as y'all can see, like, I got on my bonnet cap, of course, Ratchet Girl teens, you know what I'm saying. I got on these little little silver hoop earrings. Sorry, don't match my blemish. And I got on my lashes, which I kind of like rushed them a little bit. So if y'all do see glue on my top of my eyelids, I'm sorry, but that is Ratchet, right? So I guess y'all can make that for a pass. Kind of, sort of, something like that. And I can't forget my what is that? My Handy Girl Hair Store lip gloss. Y'all see it? It's mango flavor. It's like, it don't show up on this camera like it really should. Anyways, yeah, so I got this and I'll apply this on my lips when I get in the car. But anyways, let's go. Babe, say hi to the camera.
Hey guys. Why you got the bundle on this dude, man?
Because
Okay.
I want to wear my bonnet. You got a problem? Okay.
Hey, I ain't got nothing to say. Took all day.
Well,
Thought you was getting ready for your beauty pageant or something.
I did get rid of my beauty pageant. But my bonnet got holes in it. Hair sticking out. What? Do you have a problem?
Man, you going to the store with that on?
And girls do that all the time. They go in the store with their bonnets on and everything.
Yeah. You right.
You got my room.
You're smart. I say, Bubba.
So loud.
Oh, it ain't. I was loud.
Hill. You always begging.
Big ass earrings, and you better grab that camera.
Ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, it is. They just grab that camera. So I gotta hit it, man.
Complain too much.
I'm trying to figure out how you supposed to be going somewhere. You got a bonnet on your head. At least I look the part. Hopefully you're taking that bit off.
If you can't appreciate me for me and how I look, then
You're a throw.
you can hit the road, Jack. You know what I'm saying?
Right. It's a whole highway.
You're right. Life is a highway. Dang.
What the boy had going on?
Damn, like they want to come all the way up here.
Where you comb at? You ain't got no comb. How you gonna get your hair together?
I already told you, I'm leaving my bonnet on my head.
Man, you ain't finna go on no store like that, man. I don't know what you got going on.
What is this on my lashes, though?
Hey, I like that on my shirt, man. This
I
polo,
just did.
This polo, man. It was legit, too. This polo, dog. What's going on, guys? Look. Day just a chill day. Blue vlog. Wanna watch some Tampa Bay football? Y'all already know.
We forgot to go to my grandma's house. See, guys, my memory is bad.
I go this way, right?
Yeah. Damn. Got all this stuff in here. Look at all this.
Your head hurt?
Woo!
Stop
Stoddy.
being hard-headed.
Stoddy. What am I supposed to do?
I
Shit.
told you that bitch was gonna fall. You got like that bitch went. Let's try to turn.
Go straight. That's this.
Like pump, street pump. I don't turn right here.
If you want to, you don't really have
I
to.
don't know. Okay.
You don't really have to. Go straight.
Alright. That bitch like it was straight up road.
Good. I said if you want to, you can.
Yeah. I ain't smacking that butter down so damn hard.
That's good.
Ain't no more flavor in that bit anyway.
Want some?
I'm alright. I know you need to take that bonnet off though. Got a big ass. What the hell?
Oh,
Big booty girls.
what Craig
Big booty
ate?
girl. That's who you look like. And you know it's
What? Wait,
you look crazy as hell. You know that.
you look crazy. Am I talking about how you look?
Yeah.
So why you gotta talk about how I look? I looks good.
You look like what the hell happened?
Where are you going?
I was told I go to the light and I go right there.
You right, you right. You right. Your head don't be itching.
Stop that shit. What the hell? I ain't even doing that.
My head itching.
Why you even talking like that? Yeah. Something wrong with you. You drinking?
Is you drinking?
Maybe. You need to cut it. Take them damn earrings.
Baby. Baby.
What happened to the small earrings? Where the little earrings at?
Baby. See, honey, hold on.
Hoops on.
Honey, hold on. So one thing about
Got
it,
them damn hoochie mama earrings.
one thing about these things for sure, you're not gonna talk about my earrings because they look good.
Damn hoochie mama earrings. God! Ain't nothing but beating like that, nah. What the hell going on here?
Do you have a problem?
I might do.
Do you have a problem?
I might do. Cause God, why you keep beating your head like that? When it hurt when you slap you across the head?
It's itching. I wish you would. I wish a nigga would.
Well, your wish gonna come true. Take that damn bonnet off.
I need some more gum. Mine ain't.
I know that gun there.
Like, it ain't enough crunching. You know? Like, you know, when you want to pop. Like, you know? I ain't got enough pop.
Like that.
Oh, honey. Sweetie poo.
Man, you don't make me go way across town. Why you smacking so hard, man? Shoot the gun the right way, man.
Ooh! That minty. Ooh!
Yeah, I'm like a little ratchet. You from Nebraska?
Don't call me Ratchet.
You from Joe Louis?
Don't call me Ratchet.
From the spring.
Don't call me Ratchet.
How you look and acting?
Cause look. Period. You good?
It's you good. What the hell?
I'm Gucci, baby.
Got that damn bunny on, fuck, man. Take that damn bunny. Just got your hair did, I thought, and now you beating on that new stop, man. Smoke some damn crack or something. Man, what in the?
What is you hitting your brake for?
What is this nigga? That big clean right there. He got the damn emergency lights on. Boy driving around the big daddy you come. Midget gonna jump out the car. Man, what the hell is you doing, man? You goddamn be walking with them old ladies.
Yeah, you need to be getting out there drug dealing. That's what you need to do. Go do something. You worry about me and my Barney. You worry about me and my gun.
Big ass earrings.
You should worry about yourself and my earrings. Ain't nothing wrong with my earrings.
Got them damn hoochie mama earrings. Man, look at this motherfucker.
Man, this is so crazy. You see that car right there? That little white car?
Yo, he pulling into his place though.
Go to the street right now. Turn that away.
Which way, left or right?
Right on.
I think it didn't matter really. Yeah, it didn't matter.
I mean, it's up to you, boo-boo.
Maybe it's up to me. I'll take that damn bunny off your head. You messing up the curls.
One thing about it. Two things for sure. Boo, I know you ain't gonna touch my body though.
Snap that bit off with the quickness. You better take that shit off when we go to the high. When we go, where we gotta go now. You hear me?
Different camera right
Where your people,
hi.
And he ain't got out the car yet and moved.
You're not on the gang on the candy Johnny girl.
Boy, raggedy, man.
Even money right, you can't even take a sneaker.
Shut up.
Period. Baby, one time. Period.
That's Ratchet.
Period.
Ratchet. You know, ain't nothing wrong with no JT though. Ain't nothing wrong.
See, you know what? You play too many games.
I wouldn't. If she act like this, I wouldn't even want to be around her. Like you. She acting like you, I don't want to be around her. It's for the ghetto.
The ghetto?
The ghetto. I'm talking about the ghetto. You know about that? You heard that?
Yeah, I know about that, boy.
You know about that?
Yes, I do.
Who's on that?
Your mama.
God. Why the hell you ain't took that damn bonnet off yet? I thought when I got ready to car, the bit would have been over by now.
Stop sweating my bonnet.
That shit.
You acting like it's hurting your feelings.
Man.
Damn. The wind about to blow my lashes off.
Shit,
Oh.
that damn cap off.
Say something else about my cap.
That shit, take that shit off.
Say something else about my cap. Huh?
Please take that shit off.
Huh? Excuse me. Huh?
Please take it off. It's not
Oh.
block material.
Oh. Cause I thought I said something.
It's not block material. I'll get you a frosty sundae and take that bit off.
No, I don't want no frosty. Not for no nasty Wendy's.
I said frosty with some sundae cake on it, nigga.
What?
A frosty with some sundae cake on it,
That
nigga.
just sound nasty.
You don't even know
Who eats that?
I do.
Boom.
Take that damn bonnet off. Damn. We almost to our destination. You know you need to rip that bit off your head immediately.
First off.
To get your hair together.
First. Ooh.
Take that shit off. Lord knows you need to get that yourself together. That you got the bonnet on. Yeah.
Hey, boo.
That boy had on drawers out there. You see the nigga?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about them, sweetheart. Y'all crazy.
Man, you need to let them boys see.
What?
Let them boys see how your cap look.
They can see how my cat look. Yup.
You need to take that off.
And it got little holes.
You need to take
Yup.
that off. So what the point of it is?
And the point of it is let people know that I don't care how nobody else feel because it is what it is. And ain't nobody want me to take off my cap, and I know that for a fact.
Man, I ripped that bit off your head. Yeah, you didn't even get cute. You looking like a 2-cent hooker. Look like you work at a bar named Classy.
Classy, bougie, ratchet. Period. I don't go. Heard it. You heard him. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah.
You like you work at a club named Classy.
Bougie, ratchet. Yes, duh.
And what you is? Ratchet.
Bougie. Classy. What you got a problem? You got something to say? You need to get off your chest? Is you mad? Is you upset? Is you sad? Let me show you love. And you act like nobody show you love.
You took the earring off?
I took one earring off.
Oh, the man right there beside us, I ain't got not a single belt
Fuck
on.
12.
I ain't got no belt on.
Fuck
I'm
12.
up on cuz, man. I'm right up.
Fuck 12. That's how I see it.
Look how I slide the belt on, y'all. Look how I slide the belt on.
Look at him trying to be slick.
Try to slide the belt on. As long as he don't see that. Slide the belt on. He ain't
You know you better put that on, baby.
He ain't gonna see it.
Cause out in these streets, boy.
I'm a young black male. It's a white officer.
That was a black man.
That was a white officer.
That was a black man.
Yeah, he white. And he might be black. He outside.
Anywho, y'all, we so late to everything. We were supposed to be over there to my dad's house at 1, and it's 2:16.
Game started an hour
Your
ago.
girl looks good. Yeah.
Same picture on the laptop, y'all. This nigga
Yes.
so she what?
Self-conceited, yes. Yes.
I get tired of opening the laptop.
Yes.
Where my picture at?
Well, why? Who? Where?
My picture at?
You been who? With where?
Where my picture at?
For real. Oh, really, D?
Man, what my?
That's how you feel. And the
Man,
guys be
ask
like,
me
this question.
Shut up.
Oh, this question. Where you asking now? Make a statement. Assuming?
Stop doing the gun like that. No, that boy done got into a wreck up here. Look.
I see it.
Look at
Damn.
Look at
Huh?
Yeah, you so loud for me.
What?
You so damn loud, man.
Why is you always so worried about something that I'm doing?
Man, it's 2 people in the car. You ain't gotta be that damn loud in my ear, man.
Excuse me?
It's 2 people in the car. You ain't gotta be that damn.
Who is the 2 people?
It's me and you.
And?
Me and you, that's it. Why you so damn?
I just be feeling like you don't be hearing me when I be talking.
Man,
so I be talking
man.
so you can hear me.
Hey, man. Oh, hey, you be yelling too much. It's too early for that.
It is not too early.
It's 2 o'clock, man.
Man, whatever.
Take that, man. So, why you keep popping that damn gum so much? Man, I know the flavor going in that bit.
You worry about the wrong stuff. You supposed to be driving.
Come on, Chico.
Your
Slide
eyes.
this, man.
Your eyes is on the road. Not on one.
Bro, I can't keep my eyes off this hideous. But I don't even know what to say. You need to just take that out, all of it. All the lashes, everything.
So you don't like my lashes?
Everything messed up.
You don't like my bonnet?
Everything's messed up.
You don't like my one earring?
Everything is messed up.
You don't like my nails?
Everything is, I like your nails, but everything
even though
else,
it's like one broken right here.
You got that.
So I got the ratchet fingers.
No, you got the ratchet look. Down pat to the T, nigga.
Ah! Boo! Boo!
Let my ear loud like that.
D!
Let my ear like that.
D!
Get my ear, man.
D! And
got me driving with two hands. I don't even want to look at you.
don't look at me then. Keep your eyes on the road. Do not worry about me though.
Alright, man. Anyways,
y'all. So
why you so loud in my ear, bro?
shut up and turn.
Man,
Mind your business.
get up out my ear like that, man.
It's about to rain.
Yeah.
I hope I don't get my bonnet wet.
You need to take that shit. Oh, damn. Take all that shit off, please. I'm gonna take your ass back home.
So stop lying all the
I'm
time.
not going to your daddy, man. Get yourself together, bro. What?
Get yourself together.
What a call.
You know what?
I'm finna park this car. You finna get yourself together right now.
Alright, y'all. So
Yeah. I'm sorry.
he over here tripping, and I don't know what he tripping so hard about.
Where that comb at?
No, you could go do something with your stuff, boo. Don't be reaching your hands over here.
Oh, I look alright.
Oh, you don't.
What
Anyways,
you come in car with old bonnet. You should have you just woke up, put some clothes on. That's all you did. What? Come on, and put lashes on. Why you?
man, shut up. Shut up. Shut
Oh, I
up.
hit it, man.
Shut up.
See that? I'm about to throw this bottle at your head. I'm gonna tell your mama on you.
I don't care.
Tell your mama you out here embarrassing us.
I don't care.
I say, mama, she had on a bonnet and she was popping the gums out. You know what to do with her. You need to get on her, mama.
And you need to learn how to drive.
Mama go get on you.
You don't know how to drive.
Real quick.
Alright, y'all. So,
Okay.
ooh, we finally made it to our destination or whatever.
You finna get yourself together. We ain't make it done
And-
yet. You finna do your hair. You finna do
So,
something.
anyways,
Man, go in there.
we
see
made
your,
it to our destination, and
Go see your little sister got a
I'm
comb,
finna
man.
go mind my business because he finna go to mind his business because I'm sick of him sitting and talking about me.
Go
And
see
he
your
always sit
sister
over here
got a
mind
comb.
about what the fuck I'm doing. Don't worry about what I'm doing, sweetheart.
I'm finna go. I'll be right back.
Anyways,
Right now.
alright, y'all. So I see y'all in the next video. Don't forget
Team D, remember
don't
that.
forget to subscribe to our channel. Boo, this ain't even about you, honey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and drop a comment down below. And he about to go. See y'all in the next video.
Come on.
Bye.
Real quick.
No, I'm really just